What is up, guys? Andrew here. Welcome back to the second channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing my new monitor. Recently just picked it up, 27-inch HP. So yeah, we're gonna unbox this. All right, so let's get into it. We do not have a knife, unfortunately, so we're just gonna do it by hand. Let's go. Very excited for this one. Ooh, let's go. Okay, we have our power right here. Standard charging. This is a 27-inch. It was $110, $120. This is the DVI if you want to do a DVI. I don't have DVI. I just have HDMI, so we're not gonna need that. I guess this is the stand. There's probably gonna be a second part to this. Yeah, very cool. I guess. I don't know. Put that to the side. Cardboard. Ooh, I can see the monitor already. Let's see if we can try to do this. Okay, yeah, okay. We'll put this down here. Hopefully I didn't break it. We have the where it actually stands on right here. It's pretty cool. And is there anything else? Manual instructions right here. Nothing too crazy. We're not gonna need that. And that's it. So let me put that to the side. Here is the monitor itself. We could go back to regular size right there. That's right. So gotta be careful with this one. I was upset that they didn't double box this because this is a very fragile display, so I don't want nothing broken, but it is what it is. So here it is. Here we go. Here we have it. All right. So here we have the front of it. We could check out the back first, I guess. Be very careful. So let me see if it shows on it. I'm gonna try to scratch this. So right here we have the power. We have you can see, but we have HDMI. We have the DVI, and then this is another type of DVI. I really don't need to use it, but we're just gonna use this HDMI one for my setup. So we can go back, see what the instructions are. Okay, so first I need to plug in the stand right here. So that's that. All right, basically like this. Is that it? So we're gonna put that. Then we connect our monitor. That's right, and then we put power. Should be pretty simple. I am gonna get like a mounting thing for this monitor since I want it more higher. But for right now, we're gonna work with what we got. So, and monitor stands are kind of expensive. They're like around $35. So we'll get that when we have more money, more cash flow, you could say. But yeah, I think this is simply, let me see if it shows here. Just simply pop it up right here. That should not go anywhere. There we go. Oh, you just need to like clamp onto it a little bit. So now you gotta set up right here. Okay, this is huge. I did not realize how big this was. For the price it is, not that bad. Yeah. So we just, now we're gonna get my HDMI cable. We're gonna plug it into my computer. Here we have, this is a Thunderbolt, and then it has an HDMI right here, as you see. So we're gonna plug that into my computer, and then put power to it. So we can take off this. I don't think we're gonna need it anymore. All right, I'll fill out. Right here. There we go. Now we plug in to my computer right here. This is my computer. So we're gonna put it right here. Plug in the HDMI, and then we put the power to it. There we go. We should have power. See if it works, and it does. There you go. That looks pretty sick. Pretty infermo. Okay. The default settings for this complies. Okay. Now we should be set. So if I, okay. So let me see if I can drag it into it. Oh, there you go. Okay, so this is just my normal thing. We could change it up so I could not mirror. It could just be like the regular display. But this thing is huge. This is very huge. I'm a big fan of it. So let's change the settings on my computer. See if I can. Okay, there we go. We'll change the settings real quick so we could do it to what we like. All right. So as you guys can see, I have it already set up. This is my Mac. It's basically just a mirror. Since I don't have a keyboard yet, I have a mouse, but since I don't have a keyboard yet, I can't just close my Mac and then just use this monitor. But for right now, we have it as a mirror. We can also do it as like an extra screen. But when I get my keyboard, we'll just use it as a as extra screen. So we can just turn off the Mac, and we could just have a huge display. This thing is so massive. This is a 1080p, so this is pretty good quality. But yeah, overall, it's not LCD. I don't know if it's LCD or I don't know the exact technology for this display, but I do know that's 1080p, so that's that. I'll put a link to buy this one down in the description if you guys want to pick one up. But yeah, you can just have multiple things like this. You can have one right here. You can pop up Discord. This is my sneaker Discord, so you just have multiple things right here, and then for bots, if you could say, we can have many links, so it could just be way bigger. It's pretty good. But yeah, overall, this is a very nice monitor. It's huge in my opinion. This is way too big for me. But yeah, we're probably gonna mount it to the with a mounting later on. But for now, I'm just gonna get a keyboard so we could close this one. We could just use this display. But yeah, guys, that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this unboxing. Make sure you guys smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so it doesn't notify when I upload. Alright, that's it for me, guys. Laters. Bro, this thing is so massive. Look at this. Oh, these are like my clips, but this is like a TV. Alright, laters.